ordered some Alpine strawberry seeds from the strawberrystore.com. Just wanted to show which varieties I ordered. The Yellow Wonder. Wanted to try a yellow variety or a white one. Next one we have is called Attila. Normal Alpine strawberries, they don't send out runners, but this variety does, so that's why I ordered it. And maybe if I wanted to propagate it, it'd be more easier to do it with runners. This is the French Alpine collection, so it's a collection of 3. Those are the names. Just a few things about this website when ordering. You're pretty much going to spend $17 minimum because you can only place an order for $12 or more, and shipping is going to be $5. So you're going to spend at least $17 at this website. Just a heads up when you go to order. So you're pretty much going to have like at least 5 packets of seeds. There was one variety called Pineapple Crush that I wanted, but it was sold out in individual packs. It was only available in a collection, which was a little bit annoying. If you wanted to buy that variety, you had to buy the whole collection. Overall, they have some really nice varieties. Small company, probably, I think he works from home. So definitely wanted to support that. All the backs of these are the same. Instructions on how to take care of them, when storing the seeds, how to germinate them, and how to plant and where to plant. Germination will be improved by preconditioning seeds, and this is already done if you order from the strawberry store. So when you get them, they're pretty much ready to plant, which I am going to do right now actually. I'm moistening my soil right now so I can just, because it says on here you just pop the seeds on top and press them down. You do not cover them because light aids in germination. So I have these containers from, I think this was a donut container, and these were some cookies or something. Just for using some plastic containers that I'd had from the store. And I already punctured some holes at the bottom for drainage. I'm gonna fill them up with some soil. This is just 1/3 potting soil, 1/3 coconut coir, and 1/3 vermiculite. So very light, good drainage soil. And I could probably do winter sowing. I'm sure it's a good candidate, but just the small amount of seeds that I have, I don't really want to risk it. I'll do a little bit more. Here is mignonette. And all I'm gonna do is sprinkle the seeds on top and kind of pat them down. That's it, because light aids in germination. That is it. That's all. So that's why I'm doing this indoors, because I don't have that much seed. Sprinkle on top. Pat them down just to make sure there's contact with the soil. I'm not going to water them because the soil is moist. I'm just going to close the lid. I'm going to cover that up. 1 done, 4 more to go. Okay, Yellow Wonder. Now pour it out here. Make sure there's contact with the soil. Attila, the one that sends out runners. I have all my 5 varieties here in front of this window. Now we can wait up to 30 days for germination on these, so I'll keep you posted. is April 6th. These look really good. The ones in these kind of deeper containers look a little bit bigger than this one. This one is a little bit shorter of a container. They have their true leaves, a couple sets of them already. And here's a few. So it's about 2 months and a few weeks after I've sown them. And today I'm going to take these out and put them in individual pots or containers. I'm gonna start with these because they're dry right now. It's gonna be easier to kind of pull them apart. I'm excited that it turned out really well. I just noticed yesterday that I have my first Alpine strawberry. Oh, it just came off really easily. So I'm gonna taste my first Alpine strawberry. That tastes really good. Here's some more beautiful Alpine strawberries. There's two. Lorraine de Valais. Smells so good.